Suite del Recuerdo by José Luís Merlín. Beautiful piece, and just a couple of tidbits of advice, right? So start without a bar. It's kind of like an A minor chord formation, but all the way up here, it's E minor, right? So you start with an open E. Make sure that your finger is on the tip of the finger, not a bar, not flat, right? This is going to facilitate you bringing your pinky right next door, right? So that's a B, this is a C. They're adjacent, but by using your pinky, you're setting yourself up to move your bar over to the fifth position, right? As you set up your bar, you notice that while I'm setting my pinky up, I'm moving my index finger to reach out to the D string. Make sure you reach out to the D string because you're going to need that note later as a G, right? The next step is getting your second finger to land on the F sharp that is just behind the finger that you just placed here, right? And because of the phrase, the way it's set up, that's just an opening, right? The E bass. Right? That's your concern, to get to the F sharp there and connect that milonga phrase, right? Then your next phrase begin. Right, what I did here is I landed not a bar, but a hinge bar. I'm only grabbing one note, and that is the first string on the second fret, right? And I do want to keep that F sharp and that D sharp because they're going to come back later. Then I close my hinge. Notice that I just really close in on the fifth string. I really don't need a bar. I'm not really pressing across all the strings there. So I just muted my A bass. Right. Right, remembering that, sorry about that wrong note there. Remember that D string there, right, is on the tablature version that we found, it's a G, right? So just make sure that you correct that. Right? Do grab that with your pinky. Thinking the original of that second note might be a B. But, well, let's just have it the way that it's here. There are second endings, right? So second ending. Right, so setting up a chord, the chord is set up with 2, 3. I noticed a little mistake that I did here. I'll repair that right now. Okay. So coming out of that, you're in fourth position. Your pinky is going to slide up. 2 and 3 are half stacked on the D string, B string, right on the 9th fret. Slide up the pinky, and then come down. You're in 8th position, right? D string, G string, B string. 3, 2, 4. Then keep 4 and 2 there. You're only going to move your third finger and go up to the 5th string, from the 4th string to the 5th string. Right? And then you drag that third finger. Then you're going to have to do the hula hop dance of the pinky finger. Go down to the 1st string, and then all the way up to the A bass for the next chord. 3 on the D bass, 2 on the B string. Then you tuck in your pinky, and then you change positions. Not over, sorry, that comes later. Right, but all of this is just lined up: 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. Then you move over to 5th position. It's just chromatic. And then move up so that you are 1 fret over with your 3rd finger, but you are adjacent with your bow on the 7th fret. 2 and 3 are on top of each other, stacked. 3rd string, 2nd string. Then this is a repeat. Just a couple of notes on what we're doing up here. This is the same formation of a major chord that we have over here for C major, just using 2, 3, and 4. No 1, 2, and 3. Right? It's just this, but over here. Right? So it's just a G major chord. And then the other formation that you have to deal with is it's just a C major chord, same way you would do an F major chord over here. And the other chord that you're dealing with, right? So you got C, E, A. So it's just an A minor chord. That's also called an A minor chord, right? And that's really all you're contending with. You're just moving these formations, right? It's just very traditional major minor chords, and they're set up in a very beautiful way. Gorgeous piece of music. Okay.